Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm into industry from last 27 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. So friends, in today's presentation, you will see launch of Sobha Neopolis at Panathur Road, Bangalore. So let's begin with the presentation. So friends, Sobha Neopolis will be constructed in 25 acres land parcel, and there are total 19 towers in this, and mostly all the towers are two-level basement, ground and 18 habitable floors. So right now developer has launched tower number 14, 15, 5, 6, 7, 18 and 19. So all the towers has different configuration. Tower 14 and 15 will be having 1 BHK flats with 8 flats on every floor, and tower 5, 6 and 7 will be having 3 BHK with maximum 6 flats on every floor, and tower 19 and 18 has only 4 BHK with 4 flats on every floor. So all the flats has big patio, big balconies are there with garden area. Secondly, this project is Greece theme based project, and the concept has been taken from Santorini island in Greece. This island, basically all the buildings are white and blue color building, and it gives an ancient look of the buildings. So this is how the clubhouse will look after completion, and similar type of buildings are there in Santorini. Plus all the doors and windows are, it's a curved like slightly U shape from top. So basically this give ancient look, and similar type of concept has been given in this project. So friend, this is the master plan of the project, and this whole land parcel is 25 acre. There are total 19 towers are there in this, and 3 clubhouse are given. One clubhouse is over here, second clubhouse is here, and third clubhouse is over here. Plus in center they have given water park over here, and project is very beautifully designed. All the amenities are there in center of the buildings, and plus indoor amenities are given in clubhouse. So there are more than 65 plus amenities in this project. And right now developer has launched building number 18, 19, 7, 6, 5 and 14 and 15. So these two buildings has all 4 BHK, 14, 15 has all 1 BHK, and these 3 buildings has all 3 BHK flats. And this square portion you see, this is Panathur Lake, and this is the main entry gate to the project. So this is how the entrance gate will look like. It's a huge entrance gate with ancient look, and right side you will see it's a watchtower which has spiral staircase inside, and when you go on top there is a stargazing deck over there. So this is the place where you can explore universe, especially night time. So this is basically it's a socializing place which is given in center of the building, and night time especially it looks more glamorous when lights are on with decent plantation around. Every building here gives a look of ancient buildings, plus it has a dome type structure on top. So friends, Sobha is a branded developer and they have presence in pan India level, and plus they have their own concrete, metal and interior division. So friend, this is how the clubhouse will look, and this is ground plus 1 clubhouse, and there are total 3 clubhouse given in this township. So clubhouse 1 will be of 59,000 square feet, clubhouse 2 will be of 14,000 square feet, and clubhouse 3 will be of 4,735 square feet. 3 swimming pools are provided with 3 clubhouse. So when you see the location map here, project is located at Panathur Road near Panathur Lake, closer to Outer Ring Road, and this junction is Kadu Besanali Junction. Below this is Gher School Road, and this side is Dodakaneli Road. Again this straight road is Sarjapur Road. On the other side, this road is Balagere Road, Vibgor School Road and Vartur Road. So all the schools, colleges, hospitals, eating joints, restaurants, these are hardly 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer radius from this project. So when you see in school wise, Cambridge School is 3 kilometer, Chrysalis High is 3.5 kilometer, and Orchards International School 2.5 kilometer. Bagmane World Technology Center is 11 kilometer, Divyashri Technopolis is 6 km, Prestige Tech Park is 3.5 km, and Salarpuria Sattva Eminence is 3 km. And in shopping wise, Croma 3 km, DMart 4.5 km, Brookfield Mall 4.5 km, Decathlon 6 km. In hospitals, Sakra World Hospital 4.5 km, Manipal Hospital 6 km, Parkmed Hospital 6 km, and much more. So friends, Metro Line 2A and 2B work is going on, which will be completed in December 2025. So closest metro station to this project will be Kadu Besanahali metro station, plus CDP road is under construction. Once this road is completed, so you can travel to ORR, Belandur, Marathahalli, Whitefield and Sarjapur Road. So major IT hubs and commercial zones are very close by to this project. So in amenities, they have different zone of amenities. One is recreational zone, park and plaza zone, active zone and kids zone. So this is how the kids amenities area will look like. More of white and blue color shade. Well designed indoor amenities are given. So this is one of the clubhouse where you get multifunction hall, salon and spa, indoor kids coffee area, indoor kids play area, coffee shop, restaurant, mini theater, indoor games and much more. So very unique and different looking clubhouse, and it definitely gives an ancient look, Greece theme based look. This open area is basically it's a cafe area, and these are sitting pergolas with barbecue and picnic park. In other amenities you have multi-purpose court plus basketball court. So this is how the Aqua Park will look after completion, and it's a very huge park with splash pool, water slides, fountain jets, plenty of lush greens around. In other features you have toddler's pad, cycling track, skating lane and play park over here. So very unique and beautifully designed Aqua Park. Secondly, all the flats are well designed with 8 feet heighted door. Large French cut windows are given, so you get proper light and cross ventilation and clear view. Every flat has video door phone, gas leak detector, geyser control and much more. Huge living space has been given, plenty of space for dining table, and again large windows with large patio with your own garden. So patio or balcony you can design the way you want. You can keep your barbecue or coffee table, or you can even keep your yoga mat or small fitness center here. Even the flats has look of similar blue and white color shade, similar to Santorini Island in Greece, with large windows and huge balconies. Kitchen has a huge utility space. CP and sanitary will be of branded company fittings. Even the fixtures in flat, sink, tap, wiring, paint, door lock, sliding windows will be all of branded company. This is again one of the clubhouse which is named as Athenos. In one of the bedroom you can design your co-working space, and your children bedroom again you can design the way you want. So friends, finally we come to the unit plan, and you will see 4 BHK very beautifully designed, no wastage at all. So in 4 BHK, carpet area is 1617. Price starts from 3.70 CR, all in price, excluding stamp duty registration. And 3 BHK is also well designed. So in 3 BHK, they have different variant. Carpet starts from 1131 and it goes up to 1240 carpet. And price starts from 2.30 CR, excluding stamp duty registration. And in 1 BHK, carpet is 435. Price starts from 87 lakhs. So finally friends, possession for these 7 towers will be on December 2028. For booking and more detail, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like and share to this channel because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye. Take care.